my name is Kayla, and I'm an Adult Services Librarian at Chesterfield Township Library. Today, I will be showing you how to access cloudLibrary on a computer and through an Android smartphone. cloudLibrary allows you to borrow ebooks and e-audiobooks from the library for free. So let's get started. To access cloudLibrary on a computer, first open the internet browser of your choice and go to the library's website, which is shaylibrary.org. And from here, you're going to go to the Borrow tab and select eBooks and Downloads. You're then going to scroll down until you see cloudLibrary, and you're going to click here to browse the collection. Now, you first have to find your library, so select your country. So United States, select your state. So Michigan, and local library is going to be Chesterfield Township. Okay, from here, you just have to log in with your Chesterfield Township Library card number and PIN, so just click on Login. And now just enter your library card number and your PIN. Okay, once you're logged in and accepted the terms and conditions, this is what you're going to see. This is the featured tab. And right now, these are all the featured books and audiobook titles separated by category. So for today, there's audiobooks, romance, nonfiction, kids and teens, and mystery and thrillers. The next tab is the Browse. And from here, you can browse by the genres, and as you can see up at the top, there are a lot of different genres that you can browse through. You can also browse through fiction, nonfiction, teens nonfiction, kids fiction, and kids nonfiction. The little star right beside each genre, that is where you can mark it as your favorite. So if you would click on the star, it's now marked as your favorite. And if you go up here, click on that, you can now browse by all of your favorite genres. Okay, let's say that I would like to read the newest book in the Outlander series, so I would just click on that. This pops up, it does give you some book details, and if you're ready to borrow, just hit borrow. And from here, you can hit read and be taken directly to the book, but I'm not going to do that. Instead, I'm going to show you the My Books. So click on that. This is where you can see all of the books or the audiobooks you currently have checked out. You can also view your holds and your checkout history. cloudLibrary has a built-in fully functional reader allowing you to read directly on their website and in the app. It also includes an audiobook player allowing you to download, play, and listen to your book offline. This is just a brief overview of how to use cloudLibrary on a computer. Now I am going to show you how to access and download the cloudLibrary app on an Android smartphone. First, you're going to go to the Google Play Store, or if you have an iPhone, would be the App Store. You're going to go to the search bar and you're going to look for cloudLibrary. You're then going to install the app, and once it's installed, you're going to open. You now have to sign in, so you're going to tap the screen to continue. So you're going to select your country, your state, and your library, so Chesterfield Township. Next, you have to agree to all of their terms and conditions. And now you have to enter in your library card number and your 4-digit PIN. Okay, once you're logged in, this is going to be your home screen. And right now I can see what I am currently reading. The next button is the My Books, and this is where you can also view all of your current checkouts. You can also view your history and if you have any holds. The next is the search. And up at the top, you can search by keywords, title, or an author if you're looking for something specific. You can also view by featured, which is just like what we saw on the computer. You can also search by your favorites, and if you remember, this is where you can mark the star of your favorite genres. And you can also view by all to look at all the different genres. The little blue circle button that looks like an open book, that is actually a shortcut to what you are currently reading. So if you hit that, it's going to take you to what you're currently reading. This is just a quick overview of how to use cloudLibrary on your computer and on an Android smartphone. With cloudLibrary, you can borrow ebooks and audiobooks for free by using your Chesterfield Township Library card. Thanks for watching!